Good morning, traders, and assalamu alaikum. This is Rana from UK Professional Trading School. Hope everyone is okay. Today I'm going to show you one of my account which is in our copy trading system. So as you can see, that guy deposited about 20 on 27th of March 2020. Deposited to a $453 account. As you can see, this is the real money account. So look at the lot sizes. So that's the account. Is on our copy trade. Here is one SL hit over there as well, and you can see the lot sizes and some different TPs and SOs. So that's account is on our copy signal trading. So he make a withdrawal of 6th of April 2020, $290, and you make another withdrawal of 6 of $20 and $104, and that's the account. Look at the lot sizes, one more SL hit, different TPs and SL. So what's the summary of the account is deposit about $906, already withdraw 867. Now account balance is 20. So guys, if you need any type of copy signals, you need paid signals, or you need account manager, or if you want to be a professional trader like me, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and you can also join my Telegram channel, the link in the description. So take care of yourself, stay home, thank you, cheers, bye.